Blessings, beloveds. Just a quick reminder of my Pluto workshop. Some of you may not be aware that I'm putting a little workshop together. It'll be a webinar, probably about 2 or 3 hours long. I'd say 3. It's about Pluto in the 12th house, whether you have it there natally or whether you're going to experience it this lifetime natally or whether you already have. I've just had Pluto in my 12th house the last 15 years. So I've got a lot of experience, a lot to share about it, and certainly drawing from my astrological knowledge of a journey that I've been on for over 25 years. So it's going to be quite a profound sharing, profound teaching, because I'm drawing from my soul, my wisdom, and my personal experience with it. And it's something that is kind of like a labor of love and that I'm really, really passionate about. And I've decided to, I feel a calling to share this for some reason. Something's telling me to share it. So I'm just going with my instincts, which I normally do. So that will be taking place in January sometime, probably the later part of January. So if you're interested, just shoot me an email and we can go from there. I tried to do the new moon in Capricorn video today and my computer just shut down on me twice, so that was pretty frustrating and annoying. Those of you that create videos would understand, just how long it takes to put these things together. But anyway, that's life, right? We just have to roll with the punches, as it were, and just keep going. Things come up, things happen. A lot of things are out of our control, and we just need to accept and let go and just be a little bit detached as well. One of the ways to handle the cataclysmic nature of this world is to detach a little bit and not take it all so seriously, because it is a bit of a mind game as well. But anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow with the new moon in Capricorn and solstice reading and energy. Looking forward to sharing that. And as I said, email me if you're interested in really delving deep into Pluto in the 12th house, which I'll be exploring from a couple of different lenses, namely evolutionary astrology. That will be the main level, but I'll be bringing other things such as some esoteric astrology and things like that into it, and my own personal 15-year journey, which has been, it's been either you live and survive or you die. It sounds dramatic, but that's how intense and dramatic it's been. So anyway, see you soon. Much love and star blessings. Bye.